Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, my name is Becky and I'm a fashion and lifestyle blogger, and I post here on YouTube generally 2 or 3 times a week, who knows. Anyway, today's video I am going to talk to you a little bit about the PANGAIA. I don't know how you say this exactly. Is it PANGAIA? PANGAIA? I should have googled this. I'm gonna look it up now. Okay, based on the videos that they've posted on their IGTV, it's PANGAIA, which is nothing like anything that I tried. So I should mention before I go too far into the video that everything in this video has been sent to me by the PANGAIA in exchange for posts or reviews. I just want to add in here, because that makes it sound like they've all been sent now for this video. These are items that I have been sent over a series of like months, and I just now decided that since I have quite a few, I would make this video kind of reviewing them all at once. They weren't all sent to me for this video, but this video is something that I'm just making myself. All the opinions in it are my own anyway, and you're gonna hear exactly what I think. There are definitely some downsides, which I'm going to tell you a bit further on, and there are definitely some really great things as well, so you're going to see by the end of this video that it's definitely not unbiased. Anyway, so what I thought that I would do today is talk you through, are the PANGAIA products worth the money, because I do know they're kind of pricey, and sizing and things like that, because I know these are questions that a lot of people have about the brand. And yeah, we're just gonna kind of go through that. So first of all, I am wearing a PANGAIA t-shirt today. What size is this? An extra large, and this has been in the wash, so this is kind of the fit. I feel like these sleeves should probably be rolled up. I think that would be a nicer fit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you my current PANGAIA collection, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about sizing and stuff, and then we will look at pricing and sustainability and stuff like that, and let's get into it. So the basic black t-shirt on the PANGAIA website right now is £59. Like I said, I'm wearing an extra large and it fits me perfectly. I'm typically like a size 16 kind of in the UK. Lengthwise, it is kind of long enough that it goes kind of like, if I stand up, it covers my pants, but it wouldn't cover my whole bottom. So that's the kind of length. Typically, I roll it up and tuck it into my bra and wear it as a crop top anyway, because I'm a crop top kind of gal. So then next up, I'm going to show you a set from the new Pastels collection. So this is the cherry color, and I have the shorts in the cherry, and I do have the matching hoodie in the cherry color. How beautiful is that color? I love this color on my skin tone so much. I'm very much debating buying the sweatpants to match the jumper so that I can wear them all year round. And then this is the hoodie. I have both of these in a extra large, because I wanted them just a little bit looser for the summer. The shorts I feel like I kind of needed actually in like a XXL, just because I kind of wanted them to be a bit looser and a bit of a baggier fit, and they were still quite fitted on my bum and my upper hips. Again, I wear like a 16, sometimes an 18 on the bottom in UK sizing, so just something to bear in mind size wise. And the hoodie, I don't know, I feel like it was quite nice actually. It is a very oversized fit, but I do really like an oversized fit. I normally wear a just single XL in PANGAIA, which is, like I said, what this t-shirt is. And that I think is a slightly oversized but actually good fit for me. So this one is a very oversized fit, which I like. So the pastel hoodies are £117. And the shorts, these are the short shorts, not the long shorts. These ones are £55. And then next up, I have some sweatpants to show you. So these are the pink, the Sakura pink ones, the like blossom kind of color. And I have these in an XL, and the fit is absolutely perfect. They're so dreamy. And I am just absolutely obsessed with how beautiful this baby pink color is. And then I do have a hoodie, but I don't have it with me right now to hand. One that I have is from the Horizon collection, so I'm just going to show you this. I will insert the footage as well from these. So that is the hoodie that I have, and it's the one that's like kind of blue and then yellow and then pink, and it's from the Horizon collection that was inspired by like sunsets, things like that. So that is how the two look together. You can also buy the matching pink hoodie for the tracksuit bottoms. You can get them in the Secure Pink as well. So the track pants that I just showed you are £94, and the Horizon hoodie, the Sunset Pink is the color that I have, and that one is £133. And then the other set that I have from the PANGAIA is this one that is from their Northern Lights collection. So this is like a greeny kind of color. I'm not sure what this color is actually called, but this one is from the Northern Lights collection, and I believe I have this, yeah, the top is in extra extra large and the bottoms are extra large. But I do have a little something more to say about sizing a bit later on, so please do watch the whole video to get like a really full overview of this, because yeah, you'll get it later on. So first of all, price wise, obviously they are quite pricey, but I've had some of these sets for quite a while and I can vouch for the fact that they do last really, really well. They wash really well. The color doesn't fade very much. These are a few months old and I literally lived in them when they first came. I've calmed down a little bit now because I'm wearing the other sets a lot too, but you can see the color hasn't faded at all, and they have lasted really, really well. The only thing that I would say in terms of sizing and washing and stuff, I would say to go on the website and check your size, to pick your size out rather than trying to compare yourself to other people, because I always find with things that run like in an small, extra small, large, medium, whatever, it's much easier to just pick your measurements and figure out how it would fit on you. Because all of the sizing for PANGAIA is unisex, I think that some styles are kind of catered more to women and some are catered more to men, but the sizing runs unisex. So a lot of these, like this is a unisex set. So definitely check the sizing rather than just going with your normal size all the time. Also, don't put them in the dryer. That sounds really obvious for tracksuits, I think, but just for everybody that needs to hear it, don't put them in the dryer, and don't wash them on a hot setting. So these track pants I washed on a hot setting, and this has been washed on a hot setting. So you will notice that in the videos that I filmed this morning, these look a different size to, especially these look a different size to the pink tracksuit bottoms, and that is because I washed these on a 90-degree wash by accident. And again, like you can see, so only these went on the 90-degree wash, this one didn't. So you can see like they still didn't lose the color at all, but these are definitely like an inch shorter and like an inch smaller on the waist now because they went in that really hot wash. Totally an accident, they weren't meant to go on the hot wash, but they have now. So make sure you keep your PANGAIA stuff out of hot washers unless you want it to shrink. So yeah, they definitely are really pricey, but they last really, really well, and I think they're going to be a really good investment long term. And I think in terms of sustainable clothing in general, they're really actually not that expensive. And like again, like this black t-shirt has been washed a bunch of times and hasn't faded at all. And I think that if you take into account all the good work that they do for the planet and how long these things are going to last, the price is really quite reasonable. So with that said, let's have a look at some of the stuff that they do for the planet. Oh gosh, my legs are really numb again. Oh, look at the winter. I could write you a song to make you fall in love. Okay, so first of all, one thing that they do, I don't know all of these facts at the top of my head, so I'm just gonna tell you them from the website. One thing that I know they do is that they do plant or like replace or restore or something a new tree for every product that is sold. And also they sell, oh my god, my leg is so numb. I know they also have leather that is made out of grapes, which is wild. What else? I'm gonna have a look on their Instagram, see what we can find. Oh yeah, and like they make their so this says, this t-shirt is made out of seaweed and organic cotton with just a touch of natural peppermint. So like they use a lot of their dyes are made out of natural products, which is obviously going to be much better for the environment than synthetic dyes and things like that. Another thing that I'm finding on their Instagram is that they put peppermint oil in some of their clothes, which means that you don't need to wash them as often because it has natural antibacterial properties. I didn't know that. That's really cool. I do wear the tracksuits literally until I drop something down myself and then wash them, to be fair, so that does make sense. Yeah, basically, you know what, if you go on their Instagram and you go on their website, they have so much information on their environmental pledges and things that they're doing to be more environmentally friendly. So you're just gonna have to, for the sake of this review, because I just don't understand any of it well enough, trust me when I say that they are a very sustainable company and they are doing good work for the planet. So overall, if you were gonna ask me, I would say that yes, absolutely, PANGAIA are worth the money so much. I'm a massive fan and I already have my eyes on some pieces that I want to buy from their site. I am currently job hunting for a new job, and I think that to kind of celebrate, if I get one, I'm going to buy myself the Secure Pink hoodie to match my pink track pants, so I have that full set, or maybe the cherry track pants, so that I have the shorts and the track pants to match that jumper. I don't know, basically I had my eye on quite a few things on their site. Oh my gosh, they also have these really cute like beige tracksuits in a really nice beige, and that I think would be really nice because it's a color that you can rewear a lot and it's really cute. Oh gosh, this is dangerous. I need to stop thinking about things on their website that I can buy, because I shouldn't be spending any more money. Anyway, ultimately though, I guess it's up to you, like whether they're worth your money. To me, I would say they're absolutely worth it, and I definitely plan on spending more of my money on them, but it's totally up to you, and you obviously need to think about your own situation and whether it would do what you need. But from me, they're gonna get a big thumbs up from Winter. He's too sleepy to comment, so you'll have to imagine what he thinks. Actually, he does love them. If I leave them on the bed, he will go and sleep on top of them, but he does that for all of my clothes, so that's not much of an endorsement, to be honest. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there because I am babbling now and I'm not talking about anything relevant. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to some of you, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye.